Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Alexander McQueen sneaker, but before we do that, I'm gonna talk about the accessories. So my name is Brown from mcqueen shop. Okay, so let's get started. You see that on this box Alexander McQueen is well printed here, and you see that Alexander has the A as uppercase and the lowercase letter follows. Okay, and on the McQueen is only the C that is the the lowercase. The rest are uppercase. Okay, you also have to check this side of the box. Yeah, you see it there. Okay, so now on the bottom of the box you will see that this flower is here and AM is in the flower. You can check it there and you can still feel the flower. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna show you our shoebox label. That's it. That's the shoebox label. So let me show you how professional we are in mcqueen shop, because this shoebox label can direct you to Alexander McQueen will direct you to Alexander McQueen website. Okay, so let me show you, and you have to use but a phone like this phone is iPhone XS, so you need to use this kind of phone, because if you use other phones it's not going to work. Okay, you see that, you see how it appears here and you touch it here, you see the Alexander McQueen website will open. Okay, that's it. That's how professional we are. So now let me open the box. We are through with the outer part. Now let's talk about what is inside the box. Okay, so when you open, you first of all see the receipt. This is the receipt from Galerie Lafayette, and here you see the name of the the shop, the serial the serial number, and the receipt is in French. Okay, that's the price and everything. So it depends on you what kind of price you want us to put here. We can modify this receipt for you. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now let's talk about the dust bag. You see the dust bag here is still the same Alexander McQueen as on the box cover. You also see it here on the shopping bag. Okay, and here you also see this flower here printed here, and all these accessories are made in Italy. That's it. Okay, so now let's talk about this little letter from Alexander McQueen. You see here on the envelope, and here you also have to check here. You see this flower here. Okay, and on this booklet you also check here. You see how the Alexander McQueen is there, and you see the other so many languages will be written here in this booklet. Okay, you also see this card. Okay, that's it. And the extra lace, you see that So on this shoebox label, you also see these. You have to check it well. Okay, so now let's talk about the dust bag. That's the dust bag. You see Alexander McQueen is well printed there, and the flower is also here and with the AM on it. Okay, that's it. Now let's talk about the paper. Now you see that this paper is the black. The flower here is a black color. This is because it's the male Alexander McQueen. For the female, you will see it white. Okay, so you take note. So that's it. And on this, you see the flowers. The AM is also there. So let's open it like this, because it's an expensive shoe, so we need to take care. Ta-da! That's the sneaker. Let's remove this one there. Okay, so let's talk about the sneaker now. Where should we start? Let's start from the back. You see that Alexander McQueen is well printed on the back here. Okay, and when you want to check on the side, you see that the stitches are well done, no mistakes. And here also you can see that there. Okay, so and on the tongue you also see that Alexander McQueen is well printed there. Okay, you check. Now you see these holes. Okay, and the laces, you see on the lace how it is. The lace tag, you also see that it's hardware, white color. Now sometimes people will say, oh, I bought my sneaker and it has this chemical smell, but our Alexander McQueen doesn't have that kind of smell. The only smell it has is from the leather, because all leather has that cowhide smell. Okay, the real leather has that cowhide smell. Okay, that's it. And now when you here on the tongue, you see the size of the shoe and the serial number here. You can see that there. Okay, let's talk about the sole. You see on the sole, Alexander McQueen is well printed there, here. You see that there, and that's how it is. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, now this is the other Alexander the other leg. I already gave the details on the other one, and this one is also the same. And the leather is high quality leather. Okay, all these raw materials are from Italy. Okay, and here you can also check here. So I think that was all about the Alexander McQueen today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video and if you like this Alexander McQueen. See you next time. Bye bye. And please, for all those who want to know more about this shoe or who want to buy this shoe, you can just contact me. I will leave my contact on the description below.